Welcome back. How to death penalty from different countries. Let's get it started.
The condemned individual is typically tied to a post or chair, and a group of trained marksmen shoot at the person simultaneously, aiming for the heart.
Lethal injection involves administering a series of drugs to the condemned individual with the aim of causing death in a relatively painless and humane manner.
The shooters are usually positioned a short distance away, ensuring that their shots are accurate and lethal. Typically, one of the shooters is given a blank round, so that none of them know for certain who fired the fatal shot, thus reducing psychological burden on individual shooters.
Hanging is a method of execution that involves suspending a person by the neck with a rope or other ligature until they are dead. In a hanging execution, the condemned individual typically has their hands tied behind their back and a noose placed around their neck. They may be standing on a trapdoor, which is then released, causing the person to fall and the noose to tighten, leading to death by strangulation or a broken neck. Alternatively, they may be dropped from a height while already.
Next, let's take a look at the detailed list. Let's get it started.